Would you get down? We're going to be late for Fodé Ndiaye's birthday.
I hope there will be cheese at Fodé Ndiaye's birthday party. You know how much I like cheese. Happy birthday, Fodé Ndiaye.
Happy birthday, Fodé Ndiaye.
Happy birthday, Fodé Ndiaye.
Happy birthday, my friend Fodé Ndiaye.
Happy birthday, Fodé Ndiaye.
Breaking news. It's Fodé Ndiaye's birthday today. And in other news, scientists prove that cats are smarter than dogs. There's no way you could get 8 cats to pull a sled through the snow.
Happy birthday, Fodé Ndiaye.
Happy birthday, Fodé Ndiaye.
Happy birthday, Fodé Ndiaye. Happy birthday, Fodé Ndiaye.
Happy birthday, Fodé Ndiaye.
Happy birthday, Fodé Ndiaye.
Happy birthday, Fodé Ndiaye.
I have studied many philosophers and many cats. The wisdom of cats is infinitely superior.
Please subscribe, give us a like, and share this video, so we can grow our happy little community of cat lovers. Now, let's get Fodé Ndiaye's party started.